Well, we've got more B58 action, the same great exhaust setup on the G26 platform. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Design. Today, we've got a BMW M440i. It is the Gran Coupe configuration. And our exhaust setup, fortunately for you guys who happen to have this good looking vehicle, it also fits from the M340, from the G20 cars, it fits the G26s as well. So the car back here, this M440 here, bone stock, it doesn't have a downpipe, no software, nothing. Just has our valve catback exhaust. The configuration is as such. We've got our 3.5-inch section up front. It runs unrestricted to the Y, gets fired back, and then it's unrestricted 3-inch piping all the way back to our valves here. And I think these 3.5-inch single wall black tips look reasonably spectacular. Fills out the diffuser holes real nicely, gets rid of the bumper outlet tips, and really gives the car a much more aggressive look. So again, these M340s and M440s, the B58 definitely does reign supreme. These cars sound fantastic with the catback system. And of course, with the valves closed, if you have the stock downpipe, super reserved, very quiet. And then of course, if you have a downpipe as well, this setup is just as quiet as the stock exhaust. So with this exhaust configuration compared to others on the market, there is absolutely no compromise. You get great sound when the valves are open and that very reserved experience when it is closed. In the video, startup, revs, flybys, part accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper. And of course, you guys are gonna get to hang out with Shane and I in the interior to enjoy another excellent B58 sound experience. Let's get to the sound, guys. I'm psyched, let's do it. Driving around with the comfort mode, again, this car has a separate valve controller than the factory exhaust configuration, and this allows you to have the valves open at low RPM, so you don't need to drive like your hair's on fire to get the good aggressive sound. I'm driving right now at 33 miles an hour under the speed limit, and you get the bass, the excitement, even without a downpipe. Again, this car is bone stock, just the exhaust package. You get a nice aggressive motorsport type of sound down low, but you don't get anything that would be unwanted to drive around normally. And of course, you obviously have the valves that you can program into the mirror, so you have your buttons up here if you want. This is a new key fob that we've been kind of prototyping and testing to see if people like it. Yeah. Close it up. And I mean, it's like it's bone stock. It actually is a little bit quieter than stock, so that when you do that downpipe, you don't have any excuses. There's no compromises with this setup. So here, I'll open it. You get that immediate change in sound quality because the valves operate so quickly. So it's a very, very nice configuration. We're gonna get the car warmed up here, and we'll see you guys here shortly with some higher RPM experience. Very nice.
The overrun.
Like, it's so funny that this is such a better sound improvement than like the M Performance exhaust, because the M Performance exhaust is similar money, but it's just an axle back, and you don't get the benefit of having much larger piping. But this is such a more exciting experience and much more flexible as well. The overrun's good. Oof, very nice. Very nice. This is a good car.
Whoa.
This thing is nice. Good sound improvement. Very happy. And just for like an OEM type of setup too. No other mods, just really improve the sound experience. BMW definitely feels rear-wheel drive, which is good. Happy with this. Like, if this was your only car, this is such a good car. I mean, obviously, if it were me, I would have a downpipe, but that's the flexibility and the great part about this system is you can do that and add it and not have any compromise.
That shift there.
The interior sound is very nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. And that, everybody, is the G26 BMW M440i experience. This car, stock everything, just the catback exhaust really cranks up the experience. As you guys know, if you're looking for the best sound for your B58, whether it's this car, 540i over there with the B58, or all the other B58 platforms that we make exhaust for, come to Valvetronic Designs. We got you guys set up with the best configurations with or without downpipes. This car sounds absolutely phenomenal. Big sound improvement over factory. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Check us out at valvetronic.com if you're looking for the best exhaust configuration for your B58. And we'll continue to make sure in this video and beyond, we're making sure all those B58s sound phenomenal. Catch you guys in the next video.